Hey there, this is Tucker Leon, otherwise known as Plissken. To those viewing this little commentary here, it's a tech demo commentary all in one. What do you know? I am co-maker of the Treasure of Absalom, along with Ebola Zaire. So let's get started. This is basically just to show you the scripting that I've done for this. Basically anything I've done for this. I have been working a lot on this, and I don't have like a lot of screens to show you guys, but I have a lot of scripts, concepts that are being panned out. So let's just kind of jump right into it here. First script I have to show you is what I call RPG stairs. Okay, see right here, you got these diagonal stairs, and if you just, like, I'm facing this way, and I'm going to the left. If I just hold left, it automatically pushes the character down for me. And the same thing going up. Because, like, if you think about that, it's, there's a barrel. That barrel is like at the bottom of the stairs. If you think you're Link in say like a 3D plane, imagine you're Link, looking down on that barrel. It's straight ahead of you. Like, it's still on your own, like, it's right, what am I trying to say? It's in a straight line from your face to the barrel. And but in this Zelda perspective, it compensates a Z-axis as just pushing objects further down on the Y-axis. So that's really all that is. Just kind of like, if you ever played Chrono Trigger or Final Fantasy VI, they did the same thing. That's where I first saw it. When I first did it, it kind of clicked in my head. I was like, oh man, that's pretty cool. Like, I get that, I just thought it was a neat little thing, a neat little script to try to do. So I did that. It didn't take that long. Pretty easy. If somebody's interested in it, just I don't know, contact me. Let's see. Here we got. This is the harbor. It's the main area. Like, not the main area. It's the main. It's like your home base sort of portion of the game. It's where you kind of come back and sell stuff, buy stuff. It's your base of operations. Let's see here. I made, upon seeing Joe's saving script and start at the title screen every time script, I was like, oh man, I need one of those. I need a title screen script like he had. Because what's the point of having a title screen if you only see it once in your whole game period? So I did that. Right here, I'll show you it right here. I'll quit the game, I'll hit continue, and since I last left off at the harbor D-map, I start at the continue screen after going to the title screen. I at first had it so you start in the same location that you ended in, which was easy, but like, I ran into some problems because say you died on some spikes, and then you hit continue, and boom, you spawn on the spikes again. So that was potentially hazardous, so I just didn't do that. I kind of like that better though anyway, starting at the continue screen of each D-map. So right here, I'm in some interiors. Let's end the game and continue it. Again, title screen, press start, there we go, back in here. Pretty easy stuff. Still use the built-in save system, just kind of change some of the mechanics a bit, not that hard to do. This city, it's designed by me. I was going for more of a vagabond kind of style look. If you've ever played, I was actually thinking of the Rogue Port, I don't know why I said that. Rogue Port of Paper Mario 2. If you ever played that game, it's like, it's kind of like a city of criminals, and that's what I was first thinking when I was making this. But then it just kind of turned into more of a harbor city, kind of crowded, crowded city. I like the crowded design. This is my thing. So yeah, that's what this is. You can have a look at it. A lot of these sprites made by Linksys. Huge shout out to him. He did almost like everything I could ever need for this project. Relic did these house tiles back with the Sun Tower set a long time ago. I still love them. That's why I'm using them. Some of my favorite tiles. Yeah, let's go check out the shop. Shop is the big thing here. Here we are in the shop. This money grubbing asshole, man. Look at this guy. He's got all his money. I can't get to it. What a jackass. So let's talk to him. Welcome to Shamash Sales. It says Shamash Sales. I kind of sped through that. I'm sorry. Don't know how I came up with that name. Just kind of like Middle Eastern or something like that. I don't know. So here we got buy, sell, and exit. Pretty self-explanatory. Basic RPG menu. I left the start menu enabled because you need to see your rupee counter. But the only backdraw to that is that I had to also disable all the items, because if you have like bombs equipped and you press B to go into the buy menu, you'll plant a bomb. Like, I just don't want to do that. So I did disable them, and that actually gets rid of all the sprites and stuff from the subscribe. It's like, it literally just takes away your items. It doesn't disable their action. I kind of wish that behaved differently, or at least you could choose the way it behaved. But hey, I'm not a developer, so whatever. Okay, so let's buy something, or let's attempt to buy something. But I have 0 rupees, so if I try to buy something, I don't have enough money. So I'm gonna quit. So let's sell something. Okay, I got a lot of crap here. A lot of the treasures you see here. It's got 2 pages on the shop right here because I have over 13. I have over 14. I have 15 objects right here. Like 15 objects I can sell. And when you have over 14, the shop script creates a second page for you because it needs that. You know, like, it can't fit all 14 of the objects, or all 15 of the objects on one sheet. Even though there is 15 slots, you need an exit button, or else you can't really get out of the whole thing without selling something. So if there's over 14, it creates itself with 2 pages. This shop script, it's a reincarnation of a script I did back a long time ago for Despair, when I was really bad at scripting. Like, I just had no idea what I was doing. I hadn't taken any classes, and I didn't understand a lot of the basic concepts of programming.